Hi friends, my name is Miss Finley. I'm a maths teacher here at Wenatchee High School. This summer I have the exciting opportunity to take students on a not school sponsored trip to Ireland. We will be flying into Dublin, the largest city and capital of Ireland. We'll visit St. Patrick's Cathedral, the Museum of Irish Immigration, and have some time to explore the city. After Dublin, we will head towards Kilkenny and check out an Irish potato farm on the way. Next, we'll take a stop at the famous Cliffs of Moher. Do you know Ed Sheeran's song Galway Girl? We're going to be heading there too. This will be an incredible experience where you can immerse yourself in a new culture, try some new foods, and make some new friends. And you could join us. All right, it's exciting. We will be having an informational meeting on Thursday, the 22nd at 6:30 p.m. and my classroom is room 208 over by the Resource Center. You will need to bring a parent and register to attend. If your teacher will let you whip your phones out real quick, make sure you have your teacher's permission. You can use this QR code to send a text to your parents about this trip. Otherwise, you can grab a flyer from your teacher or you can come by my classroom and get one from me. And I've also posted posters and flyers around the school that you can grab. Come see me in room 208 if you have any questions, and I seriously hope to see you there. It's going to be a lot of fun.